Texas Pavements protects your investment from the Panhandle to the Gulf Coast. Your pavement is the first impression and a major asset, and we keep it looking Texas tough for years to come. Our customized parking lot and garage maintenance plans extend lifespan and save you from premature replacement. We install and maintain ADA-compliant ramps and access routes to reduce liability and prove your commitment to accessibility. From potholes and cracks to spalling and trip hazards, our concrete and asphalt repairs stop damage at the source and safeguard your subbase. Bright striping, crisp stenciling, and clear symbols boost traffic flow safety and a professional look that inspires confidence. Make a Texas-size first impression with Texas Pavements. Safer surfaces, stronger return on investment, and lasting results. Choose the locally owned, fully licensed, and insured pros who stand behind their work. Get your free on-site estimate from Texas Pavements today.